Namaskar. Many people come to us at Karthik Netralaya in Bangalore with very advanced glaucoma, damage to their eyes. The glaucoma is a disease, many of you are aware of it, but still the negligence continues. Nobody will presume that they have a glaucoma because they have excellent vision. They can read smallest of print, they can drive vehicles in the daytime, nighttime, without any problems. But when they come to us, when we say that you have advanced glaucoma, they will be worried and they will start wondering why this happens. Go back and find out if any of your relatives have glaucoma, maybe your father, brother, uncle, grandfather, or they have lost vision without a known cause of disease. There is no diabetes, no cataract, but still they have lost vision. That could be because of glaucoma. So glaucoma is a killing disease, it's a blinding disease, and it comes and affects you like a thief. It can come in any age. We have seen children with glaucoma, middle-aged people, elderly people, all of them can have glaucoma without their knowledge. Glaucoma has no symptoms. There are many types of glaucoma. They are broadly classified into primary glaucoma and secondary glaucoma. Primary glaucoma comes without any reason. There are two types. One with pain. We call it as ankylosing glaucoma. Many times they have pain, nausea, vomiting, headache, and many times because they are vomiting and stomach pain, they land in surgery department. They don't think of eye department. Many people have undergone series of this thing because of red eye. Then they are referred to eye specialist, and the primary cause is in the eye, not in the tummy. So this can happen. There is another type of glaucoma called open angle glaucoma, where the drainage of fluid from the eye to the bloodstream is blocked, and that's the one which comes without any symptoms. If you are diagnosed to have glaucoma, what you should do? Inform all your relatives such that glaucoma which runs in families, they will be able to detect it in early stage wherever they are. They may be in Delhi, they may be in the United States. Ask them to visit their eye specialist and specifically ask for a glaucoma test. In a routine eye checkup done by an eye specialist, eye checkup is done by an eye specialist as well as an optometrist in an optical shop, but they may miss the presence of glaucoma. They only check your eye power and prescribe a nice pair of glasses with which you can see, but whether you have glaucoma or not cannot be diagnosed in an optical shop. You need to reach an eye surgeon or an eye hospital for getting this screened. If any of your relative has glaucoma, you need to specifically tell the doctor that your uncle or somebody has the disease. Glaucoma also is known to occur more often in those who have diabetes. So if you have, or if any of your relatives have diabetes, check yourself for glaucoma. The next thing is, in case you have glaucoma, you do not despair, don't worry. Glaucoma is easily manageable. It can be controlled by eye drops very well. The need for lasers and need for surgery is very, very rare. Most of the time, we prescribe eye drops so that the pressures come down. Many people think that checking the pressure is normal, so my eye glaucoma is under control. That's another misconception. You need to be checked by a specialist. He checks the pressure, but that's only one of the parameters. We'll have to check the optic nerve. We'll have to check the OCT. There is an optical coherence tomography of the optic nerve. We'll have to see if there is progressively getting damaged, and visual fields is the ultimate test, which again has to be repeated once in 6 months or once in a year to find out whether your glaucoma is under control. As far as medications, your doctor will advise the appropriate medications for you to use, but do not miss that. Put it in proper time. It's best to divide the medicines in such that the first drop goes as early as you get up in the morning. The last drop goes just before you sleep, so that the whole day and night is covered. There are drops which act for 6 hours, there are drops which act for 8 hours, there are drops which act for 12 hours, there are drops which act for 24 hours. Your doctor will be able to titrate them and put them in appropriate place. And when you come to the clinic, your pressure at that point of time may be normal, but early in the morning, pressures are known to be highest early in the morning, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, but nobody visits the clinic at that time. So, but then you visit the clinic at different times. When the clinic opens at 9 o'clock, one of the visits will be at 9. Sometimes we visit in the afternoon, sometimes in the evening, so that we know the diurnal variations of the pressures. It's very important because every time you come at 4 o'clock in the evening, We know only your pressure at 4 o'clock. Other times we will not know about it. Pressure checking is again has to be done by the doctor or his assistant in the clinic and has to be monitored. And it's very important to keep the pressures as low as possible. As I said, more than the pressure, your visual fields and your OCT of the optic nerve head have to be perfectly healthy, and this is very important to retain the vision for a long time. Glaucoma is a treatable disease with medicines in a majority of the people, but in case you have used maximum medicines and glaucoma is still not under control, the next option will be a laser. Laser is often used for angle closure glaucoma or the painful glaucoma, where I said you will have nausea, vomiting, headache, blurring of the vision, colored halos. They are all symptoms of narrow angle glaucoma. It will come with vomiting, as I said. This can be corrected by a laser. Not only in the eye which was damaged, we do the laser. In the other eye also we do the laser. Gonioscopy is a test wherein the doctor puts the lens on the eye and checks the angle region. It's very important. If the gonioscopy shows occludable angle, we would like to create an opening in the eye with a laser machine called YAG, yttrium YAG laser, which makes a hole in the iris without making a cut on your eye, and that will facilitate good fluid circulation inside the anterior chamber. The examination of the eye has to be complete and has to be periodic. Many people get one eye examination done and they come back 3-4 years later. In the meantime, we would have lost much vision. You should always remember the vision that is lost in glaucoma is a permanent loss. There are ganglion cells, set number of ganglion cells, which is killed by the high pressure in the eye. And if ganglion cell is dead, it will never be alive. It can never be made to come alive. There are a lot of research which is being done to reduce the pressure and also improve the blood circulation of the optic nerve and the retina, and the doctor will decide which is the best medicines. Glaucoma is supposed to be an eye disease, but it's part of the body disease. We keep on treating the glaucoma in the eye, but if the body is unhealthy, whether it's diabetes or high blood pressure or cholesterol, obesity, tobacco consumption, all are bad for glaucoma patients. One has to be aware. The other thing that you should not do is people have a habit of drinking large amount of water at one point of time. They drink 1 liter of oil. Somebody has told them to drink 1 liter of water. So this is again bad. If you drink water in huge quantities, that gets absorbed into the blood and the pressure in the blood goes up and the eye pressure also goes up. Drink a lot of water, but in smaller quantities. Never drink large quantities of water at one go. So these are a few take-home points I'm going to give you. Improve your nutrition, improve your health, control your diabetes and high blood pressure. And if you are taking high blood pressure tablets and if you have glaucoma, early in the morning at 4 o'clock, as I said, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, the blood pressure is lowest for these people and the eye pressure is highest. And the perfusion pressure in the optic nerve and the retina will be very low. So you'll have to consult your physician and ask him to adjust the hypertensive medications so that your BP is not lowest in the early morning. These are few tips that I can give for those who are likely to have glaucoma or those who already have glaucoma. There's never to worry, but one thing is certain, that the ganglion cells which get killed by glaucoma will never be regenerated, and prevention is better than cure applies best to this kind of disease. I wish you a very healthy eyes, very healthy body, and take care of your eyes forever. And in case you are having glaucoma, kindly understand the disease, how it comes, and spread the message and tell all your relatives to get the eyes tested. Thank you.